Pull. You crack?
It didn't crack. Try it again.
You crack. In my hair.
Okay, keep trying it. Keep trying it.
You crack.
Yeah.
Oh. Done.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay. Pour it in there. Good job.
Oh, I'm nice.
Okay, you want to pour it in there?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. No. That's
Sorry,
okay,
sorry,
baby.
sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, but you did it though this time.
Okay.
Fold it up again so I can put some more in there.
Yours?
Do it with all of them.
I'm done.
You want to put some more in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze it and then let go.
Go.
Squeeze it. Now let go. There you go. Yeah. Really get in there. Let's scoop it again.
Again?
Yeah. There you go. Oops. Now let the extra fall off. And you put it right here. Now let go.
Yours?
Yeah. Good. And go ahead, scoop some more out. Really
Let me see.
There you go.
Oh.
Let's dig some more. Really, just really get in there. Ooh, strong muscle. Dig some more. Let's dig some more. Strong muscle. Ooh, yeah, you want strong muscle. Now turn it over.
Right here?
Yep, right there.
High.
Up high,
High,
up
Mama.
up
Keep it
high,
high.
baby. Keep it high. There you go. Now let go.
Let's go again.
Yeah, squeeze it hard. Squeeze it. Ugh. There you go.
Two.
Yes, you can have two. You can even have three if you want.
Three.
Yep.
Here.
Go ahead, get the ones you want, baby.
Here.
Yeah, you can get the ones you want.
Three.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's see here.
Okay.
Oh.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Taste it.
Mmm, good.
It's good. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Stop.